Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Triumph Speed Triple. 1,050 cc's, a 3-cylinder power, awesome torque, beautiful smoothness, about 130 horsepower on this gorgeous satin black 07 Speed Triple. It's got an awesome sounding works exhaust, fender eliminator, bar end mirrors, only 25,000 miles, steel braided lines. This is the first hooligan naked factory bike. It's got those really cool bug eye lights. Price to sell at just $42.99. Come by, check it out, make your triple cylinder dreams come true for just $42.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful bikes in stock. Very impressive. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.